Past perfect progressive tense, also called past perfect continuous tense. Signal words: how long, since, for. Usage: how long something had been happening before something else happened. Form: had plus been plus bare infinitive plus ing. Examples: for affirmative, negative, and interrogative forms in the past perfect progressive tense. I had been working for 2 hours. You can also say, I'd been working for 2 hours. I had not been working for 2 hours. Or, I hadn't been working for 2 hours. Had I been working for 2 hours? He had been playing tennis since 11. Or, he'd been playing tennis since 11. He had not been playing tennis since 11. Or he hadn't been playing tennis since 11. Had he been playing tennis since 11? You had been waiting for her. You can also say, you'd been waiting for her. You had not been waiting for her. Or, you hadn't been waiting for her. Had you been waiting for her? She had been drinking tea. Or, she'd been drinking tea. She had not been drinking tea. Or, she hadn't been drinking tea. Had she been drinking tea? We, you plural, or they had been living there long. You can also say we'd, you'd, or they'd been living there long. They had not been living there long. Or they hadn't been living there long. Had they been living there long? It had been raining all day. Or it had been raining all day. It had not been raining all day. Or it hadn't been raining all day. Had it been raining all day?